What's the meaning of bodice-ripper? Bodice-ripper. Bodice-ripper.
Bodice-ripper. Bodice-ripper. The term bodice-ripper refers to a subgenre of romance novels that typically feature strong, dominant male characters and helpless female protagonists. The term originated from the tendency for such novels to include sexually explicit scenes in which the male character forcibly removes the woman's clothing, often including the bodice of her dress, hence the name bodice-ripper. The result of this type of literature can be controversial, with critics arguing that it perpetuates harmful gender stereotypes and promotes problematic power dynamics in relationships. However, proponents argue that it provides an escape for readers seeking steamy, escapist fantasy fiction. Ultimately, the genre continues to remain popular despite its criticisms.